Welcome to all on Sethi. In today's session of Vectors and 3D, I will revise the formulas with illustrations for the purpose of CBSE and state board. Right? Question is, find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line that passes through point. This is a passing point and is perpendicular to the two lines. This is perpendicular to the two lines. Right? You know, vector form of line is R equal to A plus lambda B, where A is passing point of the line, and B vector is parallel to which line is drawn. Direction ratios of line parallel to which, or you can say only direction ratios of the line, right? And Cartesian form is x minus x1 upon A, or y minus y1 upon B, equal to z minus z1 upon C, right? In this case, we have to find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line. Vector form ये होगी, Cartesian form ये होगी, right? Now, given line is this one, perpendicular to the two lines. Perpendicular to two lines. One line is L1, another line is L2. Direction ratios of the line are I plus 2j plus 5k. Direction of the line are 3i minus 2j plus 5k. Right? These are the direction ratios. What is the question? Is perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines means we have to, no, this is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. Means we have to find vector B to find vector perpendicular to, this is B1, this is B2. B1 and B2. You know B1 cross B2 is, answer is another vector perpendicular to both B1 and B2, right? Now, our purpose is solved. Now, find B1 cross B2. That will act as a B for this line to be found. IJK 1, 2, 5, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 5, right? 3 minus 2, 5. This is determinant of brackets. This is determinant, right? On simplification, we get 20i plus 10j minus 8k. As direction ratios are generally put up in the lowest possible form, common factor is 4, 2, 10, 5 minus 4 are the direction ratios. Means we have to find the equation of line passing through. Cartesian form will be now equation of line. Passing point is minus 1, 2, 7. X plus 1 minus 1, 2, 7. 10, 5 minus 4. This is the answer. And vector form will be R equal to minus I plus 2j plus 7k plus lambda 10i plus 5j minus 4k. This is the answer. This is the answer, right? Now, in case we have to find the angle between two lines, the angle between two lines cos theta will be equal to B1 cross B2 upon B1 dot B. B1 magnitude upon B2 magnitude. This is the angle between. In this case, I will find the equation line passing through the parallel to the line. Parallel to the means we have to take the passing point, same direction is of another line which to be taken. But x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 upon a, b, c. To find a, b, c, coefficient of x, y, z should be equal to +1. Then we can find a, b, c, right? Next question. Find the shortest distance. One is L1, one is L2. Shortest distance between two school lines. School lines are those lines which are non-parallel and non-intersecting. And shortest distance between two lines is this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is L1, this is a shorter distance. And one is, in this case formula is, shortest distance will be equal to P1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 upon A2 minus A1. Sorry, B1 cross B2 magnitude. Shortest distance between parallel lines. Between two parallel lines. If A1 over A2 equal to B1 over B2 equal to C1 over C2, the lines are parallel. In this case, shortest distance is given by B cross A2 minus A1 upon magnitude of B whole magnitude. Now, these two lines are, this is, one is this, one is this. 7 upon 1 equal to minus 6 upon minus 2 equal to 1 upon 1. Not parallel. So this formula will be applicable. Shorter distance will be equal to B1 cross B2. First find B1 cross B2. This comes out to IJK 7 minus 61. IJK 7 minus 61. Another line is 1 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 2, 1. Right? On simplification, we will get minus 4i minus 4j minus 8k. And magnitude will be B1 cross B2. Magnitude will be equal to under root 16 plus 6. This is 6. 36 plus 64 under root 116. A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 will be this minus this 2, this minus this, minus 1, this minus this, plus 2. This will come out to be, this is 3 minus 1, 4, 5 plus 1, 6, and 7 plus 1, 8. 4, 6, 8. 4i, 6j plus 8k. Then, shorter distance will be equal to dot product of these 4i plus 6j plus 8k dot minus 4i minus 6j minus 8k divided by under root 116. This comes out to be minus 116 divided by under root 116 magnitude. So under root 116 units is the answer. Right? I will discuss in detail everything. Next question. Find the image of the point 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And with respect to the line is given to you. I will discuss in this case only concepts. X minus 3 upon 1, y plus 1 upon 2, z minus 1 over 3. Right? Say this is lambda. This is lambda. X equal to 3 lambda plus x equal to lambda plus 3, y equal to 2 lambda minus 1, z equal to 3 lambda plus 1. This is general point. This is a general point. First of all, I will make the picture. This is line, given line. This is given point 1, 2, 1. इसको लिया ये point है. A is a given point. A is a given point. This is point 10, 90 degree. N is the foot of perpendicular. Now, next, A dash. A dash is the image of the point A. Now, N is midpoint of point of A dash. N is midpoint of A dash. Now, in this case, this line is x minus 3 upon 1, y plus 1 upon 2, z minus 1 upon 3. This is the line, right? Now, this general point, let this general point be N. This general point be N. Therefore, direction ratios of line AN. AN के direction ratios क्या बनेगा? You know, A1, B1, C1, that is equal to x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Right? Yeah. Now, lambda plus 3 minus 1, lambda plus 3 minus 1, lambda plus 2, 2 lambda minus 1 minus 2, 2 lambda minus 3, then 3 lambda plus 1 minus 1, 3 lambda. These are the direction ratios of line A. And direction ratio of line N are 1, A2, B2, C2 are 1, 2, 3. Now, note, before finding direction ratios or passing point, coefficient of x, y, z should be equal to plus 1. Then in this coefficient of x, y, z is 1. Direction ratio. Now, AN perpendicular to L. Therefore, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. Find the value of lambda here. Find the value of lambda here. On simplification, lambda comes out to be 2 by 7. Then put the value of lambda in this case. Put the value of lambda here. This is set A. This is set A. Put the value of lambda in set A. Point N is known. Point N is known. Now, apply section formula. In this case, 1:1 ratio hai. So we know the coordinates of this point, we know the coordinate of this point, we can find the coordinate of this point. Coordinates of this point comes out to be 30, You calculate the coordinate of this point, right? Now, what is our requirement? Our requirement is find the equation line joining the two ends image, joining the point. We can find the equation of line using this concept: x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. This is 2-point form. 2-point form, right? Now, everything is clear, I think. I will again repeat the thing. To find foot of perpendicular, reduce the given equation to the general form, find the general point, Cartesian form, find the general point. That general point can be specified according to the requirement of the question. In this case, we consider this as point N. Now, direction ratio line AN, direction ratio line, this is given to you. These two lines are perpendicular. Simple calculation is pending. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. Right? Next, in this case, another, after finding the coordinate of this lambda, put the value of equation lambda in set A, then apply midpoint formula, find the coordinate image of the point. To find the line, simple formula, either you can consider these 2 points or you can consider these 2 points. Answer will be same, right? Next question. Question is, if vectors A, B, C are such that b plus c lambda c is perpendicular to A. Now, first of all, I will discuss the vectors formula. For two vectors to be parallel, A equal to lambda b, or for perpendicular A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. That is cos theta. A1, A2, right? And in this case, dot product is A dot B equal to magnitude A, magnitude B cos theta equal to A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2. Right? So, next, cross product is A cross B equal to magnitude A, magnitude B sin theta equal to ijk A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, where this is unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Right. Dot product also is scalar projection of A on B equal to dot product of two vectors divided by magnitude of all vectors. I have discussed number of cases, all the 3 cases. Now in this case, A B plus lambda C, B plus lambda C क्या बनेगा? Minus I plus 2j plus k plus lambda C 3I plus k. On simplification, 3 lambda minus 1 plus 2 lambda plus 1 k plus k. This is lambda. This is perpendicular to this vector. This is perpendicular to A vector. A vector means this dot, this dot. इसके साथ इसका डॉट प्रोडक्ट ले लिया. Dot A 2i plus 2j plus 3k equal to 0. Use this formula. On simplification, lambda comes out to be minus 5 by 8. That is the answer. My purpose was to clear the formulas applicable and simple calculation. I will clear it out. Right? Next question. If two co-initial adjacent sides of parallelogram A, B, C, D, co-initial. I think the same point, A vector here, A vector here. 2i minus 4j minus 5k. 2i plus 2j plus 3k. So this vector is there, this vector is D. One is D1, D2. Diagonal D1. Diagonal D1 is equal to by triangle's law of vector addition. This plus this plus this, right? This will be same, so D1 comes out to be A plus B, and D2 comes out to be A minus B, or you can say B minus A, right? Now, area of parallelogram is given by two methods. That is equal to D1 cross D2 or A cross B. If diagonals are given to you, these are the sides. On simplification, put the formula on simplification, we get the answer root 1014 root 010. So square units. Simplify it and get the answer. My purpose was to clear the concept of the formula. Right? Next question. An ant is moving along the vector, this one, which is inclined at angle theta with L1. Yani the angle between the two vectors is theta. One is this, one is this. I minus 2j plus 3k, and L2 is 3i minus 2j plus k. This angle is theta. We have to find angle theta. You can use dot product, you can draw cos theta. Cos theta will be equal to dot product of this vector 3i minus 2j plus k dot I minus 2j plus 3k I minus 2j plus 3k 3i minus 2j plus k upon under root 9 plus 4 plus 1 1 plus 4 plus 9 14 now. Yeah. On simplification, we get cos theta equal to 5 by 7. That is theta equal to cos of inverse 5 by 7. Right? Next question. This comes out to be. Next question is completed. Next part is of this question. Also find the scalar projection of L1 and L2. The scalar projection is the scalar projection of L1 on L2. So L1 dot L2 divided by the L2 magnitude. These are the scalar projection given by dot product of two vectors divided by the magnitude of the on vector. This is a very important question. All the 6 questions discussed are very, very important for the purpose CBSE board as well as for the state boards. I have also discussed the earlier 2 sessions with vector 3D. You can go through that on Sethi Swift Learn. Sethi Swift Learn my YouTube channel. Right now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Sethi Swift Learn, please like and subscribe to my channel. Press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos on through illustration. Thank you. धन्यवाद. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.